If you recently lost a family member or a loved one, we understand that you're going through a difficult time. Dealing with grief can be overwhelming, and on top of that, you might also be anticipating an inheritance. Today, we're here to discuss an important question. When can you expect to receive your inheritance? Let's find out. The first thing to consider is how the inheritance is being passed down to you. When someone passes away, they leave behind an estate, which may need to go through a legal process called probate. However, not all assets are subject to probate. Some assets, such as those held in a trust, can be distributed to beneficiaries much sooner. If the decedent left behind a last will and testament, you may be a beneficiary of the estate if you were named in the will. But if the decedent died without a will, known as dying intestate, your inheritance will depend on whether you are a legal heir according to California's intestate succession laws. Now, let's explore the factors that can influence the weight for an inheritance in California. First, it's crucial to determine whether the inheritance consists of probate or non-probate assets. Non-probate assets, like trust assets, life insurance proceeds, and jointly held property, can be transferred to beneficiaries relatively quickly after the owner's death. On the other hand, if the estate is required to go through formal probate and your inheritance includes probate assets, be prepared for a minimum of about 6 months to complete the probate process. This time frame allows creditors to file claims against the estate. In some cases, the probate process can be delayed even further if the estate becomes involved in litigation. If someone contests the submitted will, the court must settle the matter before probate can proceed, resulting in significant delays. If the decedent died intestate, without a will, the court must first identify and notify all heirs before determining how the estate will be distributed. This additional step can further delay the receipt of your inheritance. Lastly, if the estate lacks sufficient liquid assets to pay creditors, the executor may need to sell assets to generate funds. This can directly affect both the nature and value of your inheritance, as well as the time it takes for you to receive it. Remember, each situation is unique, and these factors can vary from case to case. It's important to consult with a qualified attorney who can guide you through the inheritance process and provide personalized advice. While waiting for an inheritance can be challenging, understanding these factors can help you manage your expectations and navigate the process more effectively. Thank you for joining us today. If you find this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Take care, and we'll see you later.